What is up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here, OregonCarSource.com, coming at you with another car video. The beautiful car behind me. This is probably my favorite of the new Mazdas we have to offer. 2024 CX-50 Turbo Premium. This is in the beautiful Mazda red. Has the tow package on it already. 20-inch alloy wheels. A 256 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. What a pretty car. Of course, it's going to have advanced keyless entry. Power rear liftgate. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And you can fold the seats from right back here, which is pretty unique. Lots of rear seating area. Fast charge USBs for the rear seat passengers. Has that panoramic moonroof as well. Full power driver's seat, memory even, push button start of course. We've got both heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, dual zone automatic climate control, even a height adjustable passenger seat. You won't find that on the RAV4. Nice infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, paddle shifters on the steering wheel, rain sensing windshield wipers, different drive modes, including off-road mode. Beautiful car. Love to help you out with it. Give me a call, send me a text, go to the website. You can even buy your car from us online without ever leaving your home. We'll bring the car to you. Again, it's Pat Covert down here at Mazda of Gladstone. Have a great day.